Sources, Delhi Custom Department has arrested a person named Shiv Kumar. Now, gold has been recovered from the arrested person, and the accused, Shiv Kumar, claims that he is the assistant of MP Shashi Tharoor. Now, several other officers of customs are interrogating Shiv Kumar, and BJP's Rajiv Chandrasekhar has taken a dig at Congress, saying that first CM secretary involved in gold smuggling, now Congress MP's aide or PA has been detained for gold smuggling. CPM and Congress both are NDIA alliance partners, alliance of gold smugglers. So these are the latest inputs that we're tracking at this point of time. Anshul is joining us from the ground. A very good morning, Anshul. Take us through all the details of the arrest and Delhi Customs interrogating Shiv Kumar.
So yes, a person was actually taken into custody by customs late last evening, where sources are confirming to us that the said person, Shiv Kumar, is claiming to be the personal assistant of MP Dr. Tharoor. And at the time that he was arrested, he was actually exchanging gold from a person who had landed from a foreign country out here in India. The details of this entire story are still sketchy, but what sources are telling us that a huge amount of gold was being transferred from that said person to Shiv Kumar, and at that point that the custom department intervened and had arrested both these persons. Now, during the interrogation, Shiv Kumar has gone ahead and claimed that he is the personal assistant of Dr. Shashi Tharoor. However, the interrogation is still on. We are still awaiting for a confirmation from the side of Shashi Tharoor's team if at all this person who claims to be the PA is actually related to his team or not. But that person is claiming, and that is the reason why the interrogation is underway at this point. At this point in time, several officers of the custom department are interrogating the said person to know about his whereabouts and from where did this actually gold emerge,
right,
and
Anshul.
Why was it exchanging hands at the Indira Gandhi National Airport?
Right, Anshul. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. And joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Payal. A very good morning, Payal. The accused Shiv Kumar claims to be the assistant of MP Shashi Tharoor. Amidst the Lok Sabha elections, this big allegation coming in would be a big trouble for Shashi Tharoor. What more do we know about this, and how is this likely going to impact the last phase of elections?
We'll have to just wait and see how Dr. Shashi Tharoor really reacts to these allegations that are coming his way, because the allegations have been made against him by the contestant who had actually contested versus him from Kerala and Thiruvananthapuram. Rajiv Chandrasekhar has put that out and really questioned the silence of the Congress and the left, which has been in alliance in several states. In several states like Kerala, they have been opposite each other. So the question that they've been asked is that leading to corruption, as to why the Congress's hand is once again involved in corruption. We've already seen how this entire gold smuggling case has panned out over the years,
right?
And probably it's actually led to the doorsteps of many politicians. But here, Dr. Shashi Tharoor's PA is what is being alleged. We'll have to see how Dr. Tharoor really reacts. But for now, this is going to be ammunition for the BJP once again to tell the people of the country, even as we build up to the last phase of elections, saying that this is what the Congress and the next two phases.
Right, Payal, thank you so much for bringing in all those details. Now we're getting back to Anshul. Anshul, Customs Department has already apprehended the accused in this entire scenario. Now, what will be the next line of interrogation or the probe in this case?
Initially the seizure of the alleged gold will happen, and then post that the Custom Department will officially arrest this person and then present him in front of the court. Remains to be seen how will the Custom Department will take this entire case forward, because the interrogation is still on. One thing is for sure, the gold has been seized. The person has been arrested. The person who was giving that gold to Shiv Kumar has also been taken into custody. Facts are still being verified if that person is actually connected to MP Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Once this happens, then in fact within the next few hours we are expecting that this person will be presented in front of the court, where the custom departments could actually ask for an extended custody of the said accused. Once that happens, then the entire details and how from where did this gold emerge and how did it reach the hands of Shiv Kumar is something that will be established by the custom department.
Right, Anshul, thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll continue to track this story as the day progresses and we get more updates on this. But now we're shifting our focus to another breaking input.